What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with another fucking video. My bad for cursing so intensely. I forget some kids be watching my vids. I apologize. Now, if you're new here, subscribe. We do other content other than just sneakers all the time. It's a whole fashion type of channel. Anything with fashion type of deals. We're gonna get into, trust me, just be patient with me. I'm working on getting a camera, and we're gonna take this whole channel to a whole different level because we're gonna be in public doing a whole bunch of stuff. Now, until we get there, just be patient. If you're new here, subscribe to this channel and also comment, because I respond to any type of comments, all questions, negative, positive, whatever. And also, I have another channel, so subscribe to that channel as well. Also, most importantly, go show love to my Instagram page. We'll be right here. Go subscribe to both channels. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, so you see the title. Maybe you can't tell by the thumbnail because the color. And today's Sunday and it's raining, so just be patient with me. I'm still like waking up. But either way, let's get right into this video. No further ado. It's just a quick little review, and yeah, so let's get right into it. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, if you don't know the brand Emanuel, he is by far the best, but also the most hype, also the most relevant when it comes to dropping the product he drops, which he mainly is known for dropping shorts, streetwear, gym shorts, the best shorts in the world according to him. Now last week they dropped, he also said that when he posted last week that he was dropping the last basic colorway of the season, or for a while until he decides to drop. Now, in this business of reselling, making money, keeping personals, you have access to have so many personals. So, it was not that much resale value on any of these shorts, I believe. So you could have got any color you wanted. And my fiend bucket ass, I'll admit, I was being a fiend. I was gonna get the navy blue, brown, black and white, and red and white, or whatever else color they had. I was gonna try to buy like 4 pairs of shorts, maybe 5. I don't remember all the colors. But if you don't know, yes, his shorts are expensive. It's usually is $98 plus shipping, $10, like $108. I don't know. There's no taxes. I don't know. I guess I don't know. I don't really remember. But the point is, I had like 4 pairs of shorts in my cart, and then I looked at the total and I said $400 on shorts. That just wasn't sitting right with me, and I was like, yo, why do I keep acting like I have unlimited money? Which I don't. Because if I did, I would not be here in this type of background. Not saying I'm not thankful for what I have, but if I had more money like that, I would just get a bigger space to film. You get what I'm saying? And I would have bought my camera already and all this good stuff. But no further ado, I said, what's the color that I'm trying to get into? Not more, because I do have the color in my sneakers and certain stuff I have in this colorway that I got in the shorts. But I said, I'm trying to get these, more of my grails is some dunks, which is this navy blue. So, no further ado, I took 3 shorts out of the 4 out of my cart. I said, I don't need the brown, because I don't even have that much brown. I don't need black and white. That's just being annoying, because I already have, like, track pants, joggers in black and white, and I didn't need red and white. I don't know if they have red and white, but whatever color, I took them all out, and I stuck with the navy blue. Here it is. If you don't know, this is how Emanuel gives you his shorts in the good Ziploc, Velcro type of plastic bag, Ziploc bag. It says Emanuel on it. Across, you can see it. It's obviously see-through, and like he says, best shorts in the world, in parentheses on the bottom. When it comes to these shorts, I get a size medium, true to size, because I wear track pants, joggers, and medium. I think the only brand that I go down to a small is Fair God's Essentials, like sweatpants and, you know, their shorts. And when it comes to Eric Emanuel, I treat it like my regular short size and letters, which is I'm a size medium. I'm not doing a try on for these because I'm not putting them on. Just true to size. That's all I can say. If you want true to size, get your size that you normally get. I don't want to take this out and I don't want to put it on. I'm literally in boxers like I always am filming these videos most of the time. But I'll take it out and show you how it looks. And of course, it tells you one pair. So you never get confused that you think you're getting more than one pair of shorts in there. You always gotta smell it because it smells like fresh gym wear. Fresh off the press. Of course, it got that Eric Emanuel college old school type of tag. Eric Emanuel, property of medium, made in New York. So it might look black on camera, but with the back, if you go back like this in the camera with the lighting, you could tell it's navy blue. Because look at the black on my sweater compared to this. It's not the same color. It could look like it, but it's navy blue. Because of the sneakers, like I said, the dunks I want is navy blue. And then the finer print in here is white. This would have been fire if he would have did like outlining of red, just so it can match my shoe more, but it's okay. So you got the Eric Emanuel navy blue basic short. And there you go. In navy blue and white. So that's the quick little review on this. Okay, any questions, just comment below. Let's try to get a thumbnail as best as possible. Boom. Okay, so that's that. At some point, if you ever want to see me wear this, just go follow me on Instagram. Because I'm pretty sure I'm going to take pictures. Every time I dress up, I try and take pictures. So that's the back, basic, like he says, basic short. All I needed was this colorway, navy blue and white. I can't wait to get the shoes so I can wear this whole fit. Ah, it smells good, I'm not gonna lie. It smells like some fresh ass. I know I'm being mad goofy, but that's just the real me. Shout out to all the people that know what I mean. And I don't mean fresh ass like man butt. Obviously, I'm talking about a female's fresh body that takes showers. Okay, you fold it, put it back in the Ziploc bag. You let some of the air go so it's not blowing a pop. You just zip it, and that's it. Okay, I know we do a lot of Eric Emanuel reviews on here because I've been copping a lot of Eric Emanuel personals. But, yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to the channel. We about to hit 510, and we just hit 500, so subscribe to this channel, the other channel, Instagram, like, comment, share on these videos, support these videos. It's only going to get better from here. Trust me, daddy. I'm going to get the camera, and we're going to go crazy, okay? I don't think y'all understand. Alright, so I'm out of here. See you guys in the next vid. And I love y'all. And keep supporting. Let's get it.